Hi, let's look at a recent project where we rebuilt a two-story deck. Here is the final project. It looks really great. It's a beautiful home. Help! My deck needs replaced so it's safe and I can use it. Our homeowner had purchased the home within the last few months and knew the deck was going to have to be replaced from the home inspection. There were signs of wood rot on the stairs and on the railings, as well as on the deck itself. We got busy after the renderings and plans were made up. We were able to secure our permits, and the crew began removing railings and the top layer of the deck. And you'll see as they did that, they began to uncover more damage that showed why the deck had been unsafe. Here's underlayment that they're getting ready to remove. There is lots of debris down there that was going to have to be placed in the roll-off. Here they are, and they keep coming across some structural issues from the original deck. There they've got all the railings down. Here it is totally removed. Oh, it looks like they found some things that are going to have to be addressed. So disappointing to find these problems when you're addressing a deteriorating deck or any exterior surface in a home, or interior for that matter of fact. You can see that there's going to be lots of replacement of some structure issues here with the home. Here where the deck was actually attached to the home, there's some damage also. Wow. Thankful we can address all of these issues for a homeowner and make his home safe and secure, as well as the deck. So repairs have been made, and the crew is now moving forward, beginning to rebuild the structure for the deck. Newly treated wood is installed. Again, they're starting off using those stone pillars that were secure and in good shape to rebuild that deck. How can we, or what can we do to extend the lifespan of the deck and create a dry, usable space below? We'll talk about that in a moment. All the deck joists have been, or joists, have been installed. Here's a view from below. And the client chose to use Trex, the Trex system, RainEscape downspout system. So their downspouts were installed first, then the troughs are going to be installed next. And you'll actually see that in a moment. They'll run the length of between the joists. Helps make a dry space beneath there. The guys began pouring cement, digging the holes for the post footers for the stairway. Rebar was added in the hole, the cement form. The cement was poured and cured for the stairway landings, and you can see there are 4 cement areas where we're going to be putting our posts. The landing pad for the stairs was also poured. Steel brackets for the posts are installed on top of the cement circular areas. And here you can see how the stairwell post is attached to the steel bracket here on top of that cement. This way the lumber will not deteriorate. Here is that trough system between the joists. And this is what it looks like from underneath. And here it was actually with the gutter system attached to it, so that all the water is going to be taken away from the home. Deck and the railing installation here, they're beginning the deck installation on top of those troughs. They offer an authentic wood grain appearance that requires little upkeep. And the Trex system is backed by a 25-year limited residential fade and stain warranty from Trex. And here we continuing to install the railing for the deck. Moving kind of quickly through here. Here the railing and pickets are all installed and it looks really good. Okay, they built the landing first for the staircase. You can see the posts coming up off of the cement footers. They did that first. Then the staircase to the first landing was attached to the cement landing and anchored. The second staircase was added that goes actually up to the top deck. Here you can see it. Landing, first staircase, a landing, second staircase. Here the Trex deck boards were added to the landing. And the railings are being finished out on the staircase. The finished railing looks really great. Here it is looking from the top down. The stairs are finished out. That looks really good. I will say the stairs ended up being wider than they look here. I was really amazed when I went out there and walked the finished product. Here the guys were prepping to paint underneath the deck, and so you can see they covered these stone pillars to protect them. The brown color looks great and ties into the upstairs of the exterior that also has that brown color. They protected the doors while painting the lower part under the deck. You see all the plastic down there. They're just trying to keep things protected that don't need to look brown. And they used a clear coat to protect the railings and pickets. The homeowner wanted that. It really brought out the wood. It looks beautiful there, doesn't it? The ground level is looking really great. The finished deck is looking great. And wow, it was finished just in time for the 4th of July.